Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this box of command strips. So these are wall picture hanging strips. This is value pack, 20 pounds, extra large size, and 8 pairs. So these are great for hanging pictures on the wall, and these are easy to remove. So no drilling required, does not leave a residue, holds strongly, and removes cleanly. And that has been my experience. So that's why I keep coming back to get more of these. Let's see, what's the best way to open this? Interesting. Oh, there we go. Oh. Yep. So that's what it looks like. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. So how this works is they're perforated, packs of 4 or strips of 4, sheets of 4. Then you clip these together like so. It's just an ASMR, you know. Boom. Yeah, clip them together, then you peel off one side, attach it to your frame, other side goes to the wall. Easy to remove. Cool. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you could order these from, and let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Take care. Catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.